Living a vegan lifestyle means eating foods that are not from an animal in any way. This obviously includes meat and fish, but also products made from animals, such as eggs, milk, cheese, butter, etc. As vegans are not getting all their nutrients from their food that meat eaters get, it is important that the food they do eat is as healthy as possible. One way to do that is to eat organic food. No more sweets. It occurs to people adopting the vegan lifestyle that they may no longer be able to enjoy cakes. This is because the majority of cake recipes contain two animal products, eggs and butter. Margarine springs to mind as a substitute for butter, but if you wish to eat organically, margarine is definitely not an option. Fat in cakes is for moisture. In vegan cakes, this can be provided by organically produced oils, avocado, nut butters, and even sweet potatoes. Egg alternative. Replacing eggs can be a little trickier, but there is a little known replacement known as aquafaba. This is the liquid that most people throw away when using a tin of organic chickpeas. To use it, you simply whisk it with your food mixer. It billows up like a fluffy cloud, just like egg whites do when you whisk them to make meringue. Cheese. While we are talking about savoury foods, cheese is a big stumbling block for people who want to go vegan. You can make cheese from nuts, such as cashews, almonds, and even hemp. Many of the recipes online include nutritional yeast. This can be bought in health food stores and is in the form of dried flakes. Meat alternatives. If you are considering changing to an organic vegan diet, you may be concerned that you will miss meat. There are meat substitutes that are widely available, and these can be found organically, but many can be soy-based. Finally, milk. There are many other organic milk alternatives available in all supermarkets. Many of these are made from nuts and are delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.